class we learned the lesson the neighbors of our planets. Today we have completed the textbook bit part. Okay children? Before that, once I will revise the lesson. Okay children, what is your lesson now? The neighbors of our planet. Okay children, why we are doing all things in daytime children? Because of the sun. Okay. In night time also sun is like that only, but we are saying if we compare with night, we have to see daytime, we have to complete the works daytime. Night time we have to take rest. Okay. Night time we are seeing the sky, stars and moon. Daytime we are seeing sun. Okay children, how we are having neighbors here house? Our earth also having some neighbors. They are sun, the sun, the moon and stars. Okay. Now we learn about the sun, the moon and stars. Okay children, the sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. The sun is very huge ball of gases. Okay children. The sun has some important, it is a unit view, it has some important qualities. Okay children, it gives us heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. And the presence of sunlight only plants preparing their food. Okay children, next. Third point is the sun is giving source of energy that we call solar energy. The sun is a important solar energy, important source of energy. It is directly called solar energy. With solar energy, some countries, China has some countries driving cars with sunlights. Street lights also using street lights are using solar energy and solar panels are there. Okay children, so many uses are there because of sunlight. It is a future resource of the sun. The sun is a future resources. Okay. Next one is moon children. Next neighbor is moon. Next neighbor is moon. In 1916, the Yuri Gagarin he put on the step. In 2009, in September, on the moon, they discovered water, but no air. So human life is not suitable on the moon. But moon is round shape like sun. It has a closest neighbor to our planet Earth. From Earth, sun, moon are looking same only, like same size only. But moon much smaller than the sun. Moon is much smaller than the sun. Okay, next, much closer than our sun. The moon is much closer than the Earth. Okay, children. But it is not a natural satellite. Moon is not natural satellite. It is taking light from the sun only. Okay children. Next. Third one is stars children. Stars. Next neighbor is stars. Stars looking like a dots. The stars appear as dots in the sky. We can see countless stars twinkling in the sky at night. Stars appear as very tiny objects because of their very far from our Earth. The stars actually use balls. Some stars are so much bigger than the sun, but that is very far away for our. That's why they are looking only small, tiny objects. Okay, children. Next, these stars are looking appear pattern. Looking appear the stars are some stars appear to form pattern that look like figures of animals, people, or things. Such patterns are called constellations. Such patterns are called constellations, like animals, like plant. One of the closest constellations is the Great Bear. Some other constellations are Scorpius, means scorpion, and Leo means lion. Okay, children? Okay. Now we have to complete the textbook quick part. All of you open your textbook, children. Page number 18. Page number 18. Open, children. All of you. Pick the correct option. What is at the center of the solar system? Say, children. Earth, sun, moon. Yes. The moon is the first one. Yes. B option is sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Second one. We can see dash at night. What we can see at night? The sun, moon, or planets, children? Yes, we can see the moon at night. Next, the part of moon which receives dash can be seen from the earth. Moonlight, sunlight, or limelight. Yes, sunlight. Fourth one. The bright star that we see in the sky is the pole star, south star, north star. Yes, pole star. Next, children, fifth one. The closest neighbor of the earth is the sun, moon, Mercury. Yes, moon is the closest neighbor to the earth, our earth. Okay, children. Now we have to complete the one-word answers. Write one-word answers. It is the fuse ball of very hot gases. What is that, children? Yes, sun. Second one. It is the Earth's natural satellite. Moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Third one. They move around the sun. Planets. P-L-A-N-E-T-S. Next, they twinkle in the night sky. What are you seeing? Stars. Okay, children, here question answers there. Next class I will give you. Next, here during time Mr. Sun decided to take holiday. Write about what would happen in his absence. Children, it is your own question. You have to complete it. Okay? Sunday is not there. It is taking a holiday like us. What you have to do? What will happen? You have to think it and write your own. Okay, children? Page number 20. Which planet is closest to the sun? Which planet is closest to the sun, children? Yes, Mercury. Second one. Which is the largest planet? Yes, Jupiter. Next, third one. Which planet has rings around it? Saturn has so many rings. Already this all you will learn in previous classes. Which planet lies between Earth and Jupiter? Yes, Mars. Next, which planet lies between Mercury and Earth? Yes, Venus. Next, which planet is the fastest from the Sun? Yes, Neptune. Okay, children. Here, pick the things you must do it to be a good neighbor. This is you have to write your own answers. Throw garbage in the dustbin and keep the street clean. Yes, correct. Right tick. Play music at a high volume. No, that is disturbance for others. Wrong. Okay, children. First one is right. Second one is wrong. Next. Scream and shout when playing outside. Wrong. Should play silently. Look after the trees in the neighborhood. Yes. Tick. Next. We wave banner towards one another. Yes. Help people in times of need. Yes. Talk rudely to the people in the neighborhood. Wrong. We should talk politely with others. Pluck flowers from the neighborhood plant. Neighborhood pond? No. Plucking flowers are very bad habit. Okay, children. You have to prepare this bit part. Bye, children.